Now it's time to build your first email message. Navigate to the bizMail menu, to Message Management, and Build Message. This opens the Build Message Select New screen. You have three options on this screen. You can open a list of existing messages in your database. You can search for a message in your database, or you can create a new message by giving it a title and selecting it as a new message. Your bizMail account comes preloaded with an email, so let's open the pick list and select your Quick Start email. The Build Message screen is an HTML editor that functions very much like any document or Word application. But in addition to writing your email, you can alter its appearance with backgrounds and borders. You can insert links, videos, and graphs and personalize your email copy. The first thing to do is to make a copy of this email and use it to make your changes. This preserves the original for future use. To make a copy, you go to the File menu, select Copy Message, which opens the Copy Message screen. Let's call your new email New Platform Promo. And then click the Copy button. Your message is saved with the new title, and a pop-up confirms that the message has been saved. You are then returned to the Build Message screen with the original Quick Start email on the screen. To open your new message, click the refresh icon on the Build Message tab. Open the pick list and select your New Platform Promo. The Build Message screen reopens with your new email loaded. You can verify by checking the new title in the title field. While you are customizing this email, let me encourage you to always save your work often. To protect your account, the BizApps network will end your session if it doesn't see any activity for over 20 minutes. When you are working in the Build Message screen, you are working locally on your computer, not on the network. So the bizMail system will not see any activity and may try to close your session. If that happens, you will see this pop-up warning asking if you would like to save your work and continue or cancel your session. If you click OK, you can save your work and continue with your session. If you select Cancel or Do Not Respond, your session will end and you will be logged off the system. You can easily log back in, but any work you have done since your last save will be lost. So save often. Now, let's customize your email. The existing subject line reads, Smythe and Corbin introduce new client info program. Unless your company name happens to be Smythe and Corbin, you will want to change the subject line. Let's make the new subject line, New Program Keeps You Informed. So delete the old. You want to type in New Program Keeps You Informed. It's shorter, only 5 words. It tells me that you have some new program, so I might be a little curious what this new program is. It also makes a promise to keep me informed. Of course, if I want to know what you will keep me informed about or what this program is, I have to open your email. To save your message with the new subject line, go to the File menu and click Save. Personalized emails are proven to increase email opens as much as 26%. Your bizMail message is already personalized. In the salutation, it is personalized with the name of your prospect or recipient. Your company name also appears in the very first sentence, and the signature includes your name, title, company name, address, phone numbers, email address, and the URL of your website. What you see on the page is sender name or sender company. These are called reserve words, and they are like placeholders. For example, the reserved word recipient's name tells bizMail to go into your database, pull the recipient's name, and plug it in here. This email message is already personalized, but let's see if we can improve on it. The first sentence reads, "Sender company is pleased to introduce our new client information platform." Let's make it a little more friendly and personal for you and your company. Place your cursor at the very beginning of the first sentence. Before the first pound sign in Sender Company. Go to the Insert menu in the editor and select Insert Reserve Word. Open the pick list and scroll down and click on My Name. Your name is now inserted. We'll put a space right there between the two reserve words. Right behind your name, add the words herewith. Keep your company name, Sender Company, and delete the rest of the sentence. Now add the new copy. And I'm excited to introduce you to our new client information platform. So now your sentence should read, "Sender name, herewith Sender Company, and I'm excited to introduce you to our new client information platform." So that would read something like, "James here with James Landscaping, and I'm excited to introduce you to our new client information platform." Proofread your sentence, make sure everything is okay. Then go to the File menu and save your work. In this email, you make an offer to your prospect and you use a promo code for that offer. The offer made here can work for a lot of businesses, but you may want to change it to suit your needs. Instead of 25%, you could change to a different percentage, or you could use a dollar value, or perhaps a free product. You determine what freebie or offer will work best for you. Simply rewrite this paragraph to fit your offer. Then save your work. Promo codes offer a great way to track prospects who take action from this campaign. When they call, email, or place their order and use the promo code FC25, you know which campaign they are responding to and what discount to give them. We made up FC25, and it just stands for First Campaign 25% off. You can make up your own as needed. And of course, if you make a change, save your work. Then there's the call to action. In this email, you ask your prospect to reply to the message to help you verify for proper delivery. This is called your call to action. You are asking them to do something. The reason you ask your reader to reply is to get them to take an action. If they reply to your email, you know for sure they opened it and read it. You also know they have enough interest to hit the reply button and paste in delivery code FC25. If you change the offer and your promo code, you will need to edit this paragraph. And again, when you are finished, save your work. When you have finished all of your edits and changes, proofread one more time and then save all of your work. Congratulations, you just finished your first bizMail email message. Now, let's build your campaign.